So hi, my name is Vibhor Srivastav and I am an Oracle as apprentice and I am an Oracle Apex developer. So today's video based on how to build a map on your Oracle Apex. Now let's see how to we can add a Google Map to our Oracle Apex applications using the Embed Map features. First, open a Google Map, right, and search First, open a Google Map and search for the location or route that you want to display in your applications. Okay, I want to display a hospital location because my application based on a apna hospital. Okay, now when you will click to share, see once you have selected to the location, click on the share and then select Embed a map. Okay, here Google Map provide us with an iframe HTML code. We simply copy this code. Now let's move to our Oracle Apex applications. Okay, you must have to create a region. After that, in page designer, create a static content region. Inside the HTML code section, paste the iframe code that we copied from a Google Map. Here, see, here the iframe is used to display the Google Map inside or Apex page. The width is set to 100%, so the map takes the full available width, file height, 80 it's up to our choice, gives the map a larger viewing area. Okay, finally save the page and run the applications. Okay, and as you can see, the Google Map is now displayed directly inside Oracle Apex application. See, like open to map, this is a nearby hospital, park hospital. Okay, see directions, it's up to our choice, like Buddha Metro. See, this approach is very useful for a hospital management system and restaurant, and it's up to our choice. You have a traveling application, you have a restaurant applications. So you want to display your restaurant locations. So with the help of you can do it. See where we can display hospital location, routes and other location based information. So with the help of Google Maps and a simple iframe, we can easily integrate map into our Oracle Apex applications. So the best part of this approach is that it is very easy for a student. If you are working on a college or academy project and you simply want to display a hospital location or route on your application, so you don't need to build a complete Google Maps API integration. You can simply use the Google Map Embed features, copy the provide iframe Embed code and paste it into your Oracle Apex application. This makes the implementation very simple, and especially for students who are building projects such as hospital management system, college management system, travel application or location based project. So without writing complex map integration code, student can quickly add a professional looking interactive map to their Oracle Apex project and present it easily during their project demonstrations. Okay, so explore nearby park, hospital, restaurant is available. See this restaurant. So with the help of you can go to a restaurant. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Oracle Apex tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.